The GOCHANGE 4-in-1 foam cutter set is a versatile and practical tool for anyone working with foam. This set includes everything you need for cutting and engraving foam, making it a great addition to your crafting toolkit. It comes with an 18-watt foam cutter that heats up quickly, reaching temperatures of 150 degrees Celsius in just 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures smooth and efficient cutting, leaving clean edges without debris. It includes a 12cm and 7cm wand-style hot knife, a 5cm bending-style hot knife, and an 18cm bow hot blade, along with 10 meters of replacement wire for that bow. Whether you're working on small detailed projects or larger foam blocks, this set has you covered. The ability to cut from various angles makes it perfect for creating custom shapes for Halloween costumes, model making, or DIY crafts. However, one obvious drawback is that the foam cutter can get quite hot, so it's essential to follow the maintenance suggestions. Let it heat up before use, and take breaks if you're working for extended periods to avoid overheating. Overall, the GOCHANGE 4-in-1 foam cutter set offers great value for its price, combining quality and versatility in one package.